Hi guys, welcome back to SA Kicks and Reviews. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a free word processing document called WordPad. WordPad is a part of your Microsoft Windows and it is free. So we're going to click on our search box. We're going to type in Word and you're going to click on the one that says System, WordPad. That comes built in with Microsoft Windows. And this is WordPad, guys. It looks a lot like Microsoft Word, and the features are somewhat similar to this as well. However, this is a free program that comes with your Windows, as I've said. So this is a very simple, easy program to use, guys, for word or document processing. And you can create numerous documents with this for free. And today I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Guys, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to type in the word hello. I'm going to leave that on the extreme right so you guys can see. And now guys, let us go over the features of WordPad. So on the top left, we have the save button, we have undo, we have repeat or redo, and we have a small toggle box that shows us a quick access toolbar with some features on it for new, open, and setup. We have file, where we can insert a new document, open or read a file, save your current WordPad document or save as, print, send a mail, or print preview. On our home tab, we have on the extreme left, we have paste, cut, copy. Then you have the word processing toolbar or toolbox. This is under view, guys, which we're going to get to in part 2 of this video. For today, I'm showing you basic features of WordPad so you could get going. So I'm going to type in the word hello again. I'm going to move this to the extreme right so you guys can see what exactly I'm doing and showing you. WordPad looks like a very compact, simple, easy to use program, guys. So I'm going to increase the font so you guys can see exactly how I work this word processor. I'm just setting up the page to show you guys. And the first and most important thing I want to show you guys is how to save a document on WordPad. So you're going to click on your save icon on the top. I want to save this in desktop. You can save it wherever you want. You can rename it on the top and you click save. Now, once you've used this document or as you're using it, you're welcome to keep clicking on save to save your latest progress, and it will automatically save where you have left the document at. So there's my document there on the desktop, easy to find and easy access. You're going to go to the extreme left. I have my text, which is hello, highlighted, and I'm going to click on cut. I would like to show you guys the cut feature, which copies the word that you have, but it cuts it, so it deletes the original, and now you can paste that anywhere you'd like, however many copies you'd like as well of that. So it removes the original text, removes it, cuts it out, and you can paste it anywhere else you'd like on the document. Now I'm going to show you copy. Ensure that your text is highlighted. Click on copy, and now you can copy this however many times you'd like with your original text still intact and still in place, as opposed to the cut feature. So your paste is on your extreme left, then you have cut and copy. So while my text is highlighted, now this is the font bar, guys, where you're going to find a number of fonts. To use this, ensure your text is highlighted again. And as you can see, all the fonts are in its own unique style, and you can click on any one you'd like and it will immediately change to that specific font. As you can see, with my text highlighted, I'm clicking on different fonts, and this is now changing the font. So that was with the text highlighted, guys. Now I'm going to remove the text, select my font first, and now I'm going to show you can type with the font selected. You don't have to highlight. You can type from the beginning of the document with your font selected. Now the second toolbar is your font size there, guys, on the top. So you can highlight your text or your word and you can select your different font sizes by dropping down that arrow. As you can see, highlight again, and you can select a different size that you'd like. Now, if you know the size of your font, guys, simply highlight your text, highlight the font number in the box, and you type in as I've typed in mine. It does allow you to type in your unique font as well, the number that you'd want, instead of choosing from the box. So I'm going to put this on the extreme right for you guys, so we can move on to the next feature. So this is to increase your font, and that's for decreasing your font, guys. The bigger A and the smaller A. The bigger A is for increasing, smaller A is for decreasing. If you don't want to choose a number from the toolbox or the font box, you're welcome to do that. As you can see, a little pen icon. This is a highlighter, and it has various colors in here, of which you can highlight your text or your entire document however you'd like. There are different colors. To remove it, simply click on no color. This next icon with the A, this is your text color changer, so you can edit the color of your text with this. Again, a number of colors to choose from here. Ensure your word or your text is highlighted and select the relevant color that you'd like. This is to highlight a single letter, and I'm going to show you to change the color of a single letter as well. So however you'd like it, guys, to change the entire word, to change just a word or a letter or a number, it's up to you, all right? So this, if you want to show equations or maths on your Word document, guys, that's what that is for. It puts the H in higher case and lowercase attached to your word. So that's what's that for. I'm going to undo that and move on to the next, which is a strike through. So this puts a line directly through your word. It can do so for an entire page document. All you have to do is highlight and click on strike through, and strike through, you can see it has ABC icon button with a strike through going through it. You can do this for a single letter if you'd like, or you can do so with the entire word. Very simple, very easy to use. I'm going to highlight my text again. Just one letter. I'm going to click strike through. Let's do the H. I'm going to do the strike through, and as you can see, it did strike through just a letter. Now I'm going to show you the underline feature, which is capital U on the top next to strike through. You can underline the entire word, or you can underline just a letter. As you can see, as long as your text is highlighted, you can do this. Entire text highlighted again. The I is for italics. That gives your font or your text a bit of a slant. and the B is for bold. Again, ensure your text is highlighted. So those were the simple features, guys, that I've shown you. Very simple to use. Text format editing. If you hover over each icon, if you're not sure what they are, it will give you the exact information of what each icon means, as you can see. So you're welcome to go through this. If you didn't know you had this program in your Microsoft Windows package, you're welcome to go into your Start search box, type in WordPad, and you can practice this if you're a beginner, and you can use these features as I've shown you. Now this is an alignment tool. This is to align your text. That's to align it in the center, extreme right, paragraph form, extreme center, extreme right, extreme left. That's an alignment tool, guys. So you can select your entire text or your entire Word document and you can center it depending on how you'd like the format to be written. There are various other features on this WordPad document, guys, which we're not going to get to in this tutorial. This was to assist you to get your text formatting and your word processing going. For beginners, I will make a part 2 video to get to the view button on the top, as well as on the right hand side, the alignment tool section, which uses the numbering system in terms of numbers with bullets to adjust your paragraphs, to insert pictures, word art, and objects.